Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 2. It's your professor, and I just wanted to reach out to you guys and kind of go over what I'm looking for in week 2. Hope everyone's having a great week and enjoying our course so far. If anybody's kind of had struggles on things, feel free to reach out. Most likely, if you haven't turned anything in, you'll get an email from me today. But I'm definitely looking at different things, definitely going about different methods on looking at this. So in week 2, we have the overview. Let's see. So we have a couple different things that we got going on this week. And we're going to have computer, software, internet technologies, and Microsoft Excel are things we're going to look at on this. So we're going to go in there and we're going to look at the fundamental proficiency in Microsoft Excel. And we're going to distinguish between the different types of software on there as well. From there, we're going to examine key technology related to the internet. So we're going to kind of look at these different things and really kind of see kind of how things flow on this. I know most of you guys said that you had some Excel experience, so it's one of those things where it shouldn't be too big of a deal. But these are definitely going to be the things we're going to look at on this as well. So that's all the material we're going to look at for this week. I'm not going to read all over that because I know that that'd be kind of boring. I don't want to bore you guys. The discussion board this week will be on plagiarism, and the initial post is due on Thursday, and then we have until day 7, which is Monday, to respond to your classmates. So what you want to do is post a introduction, and then you want to post the responses to your classmates on there as well. Definitely going with a guided response here, and definitely want to see kind of what plagiarism is and kind of understanding exactly kind of why it's wrong. Definitely, some people might argue that it's right in some cases, but it's one of those things where plagiarism happens all the time, and it's one of those things we definitely want to stay ahead of that game and stay away from that in this class, as well as others, to be successful. So we also have a Microsoft Excel lab, which this will kind of give you the sections of this and kind of explain kind of how to do what you need to do in this part. Let's see. So that's an exam. That's the assignment that we have this week, and we also have a quiz on here as well. So we have that. Let me see if there's anything else for this week. That actually would be all for this week. So, and I'll put this in paragraph form so everybody can see everything too, and see when things are due and know exactly what's going on. But this week we're going to have a discussion forum, a learning activity with Excel, and we're going to have a quiz. So those are your assignments this week. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks. Have a great